Hey there. So, here's the problem we're looking at. You want default tab completion for the Firefox command, but you're only getting completion for specific file types like HTML, PDF, and TXT. You want to be able to open any file or folder in the current directory with Firefox, including markdown files like readme.md. The standard solutions out there only provide temporary fixes, and you're looking for a more permanent and less heavy-handed approach to customize the tab completion for Firefox. Now, let's dive into the solution. By creating a local share bash completions Firefox file with a complete Firefox command, you can enable basic file completion for the Firefox command. This custom completion script will override the default behavior and allow you to open any file or folder in the current directory using Firefox. It's a simple yet effective way to tailor the tab completion for Firefox to suit your needs. In summary, by creating a custom completion script for Firefox with a complete Firefox command, you can achieve the tab completion behavior you desire. This solution provides a more targeted and long-lasting fix compared to the temporary options available. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Catch you in the next video.